Well, hello, it's Maxine Kaye with the Greater Philadelphia Center for Spiritual Living with a love note. How do you go about making decisions for yourself throughout the day? Do you give it a lot of thought before choosing? Do you make a pro and con list, perhaps? Perhaps ask your friends or coworkers or neighbors what they think you should do? Or do you inquire within, remembering that there is a vast resource within your own heart and mind? It's an inner knowing, it's an intuition, and it's really a divine inspiration. Because within each of us, there is that precious sacred resource that always knows, that is wise, intelligent, wonderful, and ready to guide us. I like to inquire within, rather than going to the library or to the internet or other resources. I like to go to the source, because that's infinite intelligence, divine wisdom. And I can trust it, absolutely trust it. I have faith in that deep well of understanding that will always, always point me in the right direction. Now, if I'm wondering too much about what that decision could be, should be, and not really consulting my inner guru, it turns out that not making a decision is actually a decision in itself. It's a decision not to succeed. So let's make a choice. Even if it turns out later that we decide we want to make a different choice, we have made some movement and in the right direction, and it will always be in a perfectly wonderful direction if we ask for inner guidance first. Let's listen to that sweet voice of spirit within that always shows us the right and perfect way. If you agree with this, let me know about it. If you have some questions about it, let me know about that too. You can make a comment and I'll respond to you. And if you like what you've just heard, well, why not give me a like? And please know that you have within yourself, everything you will ever need to make each perfect choice in every moment. And so it is.